Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Welcome to another unboxing. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and unbox for you guys the Amazon Fire HD 8 Plus tablet and the Fire HD 8 tablet Kids Edition. Now, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and check out my unboxing for the Fire HD 10. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button for future unboxing videos. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. First thing I'm going to unbox is the Fire HD 8 Plus tablet. Before I start, let's go over a quick rundown of the features. So this tablet boasts an 8-inch HD display, 1280 by 800 resolution, has a microSD slot, so you can put a microSD up to 1 terabyte in there. The tablet itself is 32 gigabytes internal memory, has a quad-core processor with 3 gigabytes of RAM, dual-band Wi-Fi, front and rear cameras, and it has Dolby Atmos. Typical Amazon packaging. See what comes in here first, and then we'll check out the tablet. Charging cable. This tablet uses a Type-C charging cable for fast charging. Also, this tablet can do wireless charging, and once it's fully charged, it has 12 hours of battery. Let's see what else comes in here. Got your get started guide. All right, let's go ahead and turn the tablet on. Hit the power button up here, hold it. Charging brick here. So it's USB Type-C charging for easier charging, fully charges in under 4 hours. Let's go ahead and get this tablet set up.
From watching movies and reading books to asking Alexa for the weather, there are lots of ways to enjoy your new Fire tablet.
Speakers are not bad. Got the volume up and down button up here. They put on the top, so when you're watching something on the side here, it's more convenient.
And find what you want to watch. Alexa, show me action movies. Here's what I found.
So it seems like they forced you to go through this tutorial. There's no way to exit out of it.
With Show Me,
Fast forward.
Alexa provide Fire tablet.
When you turn it on, they try to upsell you with all this stuff. They try to give you free trials. I'm just gonna skip all that for now. Alexa, what's the weather?
In West Palm Beach, it's 68 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Today, you can expect partly sunny weather with a high of 80 degrees and a low of 68 degrees. By the way,
It's pretty responsive actually.
your Alexa experience.
Not bad for a budget tablet. You could also get the bigger version of this tablet, the one I unboxed earlier this year. They have it on sale 50% off if you guys want to check that out. Okay, so now we're on the main screen. You got your Amazon store, you got your internet browser. If you have Prime Video, Audible, Amazon Music, so all the Amazon apps right here on your home screen. It says that the Google Play Store is not supported, but just go ahead and check out my video where I downloaded the Google Play Store on the Fire HD 10 tablet. It should be the same here. You can also put in a SD card up to 1 terabyte. The tablet itself already has 32 gigabytes internal. USB Type-C charging port. Where's the charging port at? Up here. You got your headphone jack right here. Also uses dual band Wi-Fi, 2 megapixel front camera. Front and rear facing actually. So it's 2 megapixel front and rear camera with a 720 HD video recording. Definitely not the best. Take a picture. Definitely not the best quality. Swipe here on the side to get your video. Another new feature on this for people that like to game, especially with this device 3 GB of RAM, they really like to advertise their gaming on it because of the new RAM upgrade. So they have a game mode where while you're gaming, you won't get any distractions. So once you open a game, it shows you this setting right here, this notification. Alright, so notifications are hidden and Alexa is disabled. You can also change the settings. Just go to game mode settings. So you can turn it on or off. Hit this square here, and you can just close your apps. Let's check out the sound on this tablet.
Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you, far away, or right up close. Let's compare. This is stereo. And this is Dolby Atmos.
It's not bad, it's pretty loud actually. Two speakers actually, you got one on each side. One right here, one right here. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing for the Fire HD 8 Plus. Just one more thing with this, it's also wireless charging compatible. So I went ahead and ordered a wireless charger for it. Came as a bundle. This tablet itself costs $109 for the ad supported version, where when you're on your lock screen, they'll have certain ads here. But if you get the non-ad supported version, it comes out to like $20 extra. With the wireless charger, it came out to like $130. Has a nice minimalistic design. You got your fabric here. They try to make it so as it could blend in with your surrounding. Let's go ahead, lay the tablet down like this. You got to make sure your wireless charger is connected too. You got your adapter, power adapter here. So it's plugged in. Just go ahead, set it down like this. And it charges. You can see that the screen changes. Shows you the time and the temperature up here. So almost like, it gives you a feature almost like the Echo Show. Alright, so next device we have now that we're unboxing is the Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Edition. If you have kids, you want to get them a gift or something, this would be perfect. It's advertised at kids 3 and older. So it's a black Fire HD 8 tablet in a kids case, in a kids-proof case basically. The next device that we're unboxing is the Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Edition. This one has 32 gigabytes internal memory. It's basically a Fire HD 8 tablet, not the Plus version like the one I just unboxed, but the 8 tablet. Has a 2-year worry-free guarantee. So if it breaks within the 2 years that you purchase it, just go ahead and send it back to Amazon. They'll send you a whole new tablet. And it also comes with 1 year of kids content with Amazon Free Time. Comes in a blue kid-proof case with stand also. This one also uses a USB Type-C port. Has the same display as the HD 8 Plus. Same amount of memory, same processor. The only difference is that it uses a 2 gigabyte RAM. It also consists of a front and rear camera. And same thing as the other tablet, you have Dolby Atmos. Okay, let's go ahead, get it unboxed, see what it comes with. We got ourselves a getting started guide here. You have your 5-watt charging brick and a USB Type-C charger. So as you can see, first thing on the side here, you have your charging port. You got your headphone jack, volume up, volume down, and the power button. You have these two cutouts here for your speakers, front camera and rear camera. Also, this case here has a stand on it, so you just set it up. It's pretty stable. Turn it on, check out some of the features. So this tablet, the Kids Edition one, includes 1 year free of Amazon Kids Plus. The kids get access to about 20,000 apps, games, books, videos, Audible books, educational content. It's $2.99 a month after that 1 year subscription is over, if you guys want to keep it. What's also cool is that the Amazon Kids Plus also includes thousands of Spanish language books, videos, apps, games, and also Audible books. So I already have everything set up here. Had the profile set up. What's cool about this tablet is you can also set up how long the kids can use the tablet for. So at a certain time, the tablet locks and they won't be able to use it until the starting of the time that you set up. They have access to shows, books, games. Quick button for the camera there. You got your search button here. So the only difference between these two tablets is that the HD8 Plus has more RAM, has a faster charging brick. So the HD8 Plus has the 9-watt charger, while the HD8 has a 5-watt charger. And also the HD8 Plus gets its own specific color. This one here is called Slate. And I'm sure they're gonna have these on sale for Black Friday. So if you guys are interested in this, check it out. I'll put the link in the description down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, go ahead, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for future unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.